Now, welcome back. So, in this unit, we'll be talking about types of fraction. Now, before I tell you those types of fraction that we have, let's look carefully at these three sequence of numbers. Now, look at the first sequence. You have 1 over 2, you have 1 over 3, 4 over 5, 9 over 20. Look at the way it is being written. And look at the second one. We have 3 over 2, 4 over 3, 20 over 4, 5 over 2. You observe that at the first one, what do you observe? What do you observe? Please, before I say it, pause this video. What do you observe first? Anything you observe, please write it down in the comment section. What do you observe for the first one? For the second line, also, what do you observe? Write second by observation. Understand? Then the third one, we have 1 over 2, 3 over 2, 4 over 5, 4 over 3, 9 over 20, 20 over 5, 5 over 2. What do you observe there too? Now, as for the first one, the observation, if you are following critically, the observation should be that everything here have small, or let's say have small numerator. The numerator are smaller when compared to the numerator at this first one. While at the second one, the numerator are bigger than the denominator. All right. At this second line, the numerator are bigger than the denominator. So these two are the actual type of fraction that we have. The actual type of fraction that we have. So for this first one, type of fraction that we have the what? We have the proper fraction. What do I call it? Proper fraction. Why the second one now will be what? Improper fraction. Now, the proper fraction is what? Is the fraction that the ratio of the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Any fraction whereby the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called proper fraction. That is how fraction should be. Because what you bring out from a O should not be bigger than the O times itself. Good. Or how will you alone be bigger than your own family? It's not possible. You are one person among a family of 7. You want to share something among the 7 of you. What the rest of the 6 people will collect will be bigger than what you alone will collect. That is the implication. Now, for the improper fraction, is if they want to cheat you now, out of your 7 siblings, all of them, you now say no, we against you. 6 over 1. Oh my God, that's a cheating. So improper fraction. So improper fraction, proper fraction, a fraction is a fraction with numerator smaller than denominator. That is proper fraction. Why improper fraction is a type of fraction that the denominator is bigger than the numerator. A fraction with denominator bigger than numerator. So what we just use to compare them is that the numerator, which one is bigger? If you have the numerator to be bigger, that is an improper fraction. So the improper fraction, just as I've said, the improper fraction, those are the fractions with their numerator bigger than the denominator. The proper when we are talking about proper fraction, the numerator are always smaller. Look at here. All the numerators here, they are smaller when compared to the denominator, which is the base. But for improper fraction, the numerator will be bigger than the denominator. That is to say, they will be doing pass wetin dey fit carry. Ó máa ṣe kọjá àyè wọn in Yoruba terms. Okay, now having known the two, the third part that we should know is the mixed fraction. What do I call it? Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So for mixed fraction, it is the combination of a whole number and an improper fraction. An improper fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, now let's assume that in your family of 7, so I bought you guys an apple, or let me say I brought an apple to your family. You're 7 family, so I gave you guys 10 apple to break fast, and you are 7. So in that case, for you to cut that apple to share it equally, you need to first share 7, right? That 7, when you share it equally, then the next thing is that the remaining 3 is what you will now divide it into 7 pieces. The remaining 3, 7 plus 3, this 3 now that remains now is what you will divide into 7. I don't know if you are getting it. So which means each one of you will now take 1/3. Out of this 3 now, each of you, which means you are 7, right? You will divide this 3 by 7 people. You will divide this 3 by 7 people. Hello? You will be dividing this 3 by 7 people. It's not the 7 whole number 3/7. 7 whole number 3/7. That's how you can share this apple. I don't know if you are getting me. So this 3/7 now, if you want to finalize it, so it should be 7 goes in 3. That will be good because it's not 11. Just do that. So it means that each one of you will be having one whole number 3/7. One whole number 3/7. Hello? One whole number 3/7. Each one of you, after this 7, what I say is that I bring you guys 10 apples, right? To share in your family, and you are all 7 in number. So after each one of you have taken 1 each, this is the 1 that comes to each and every one of you, 1. So you, Abdulatif, you have 1. All of your simi too, they have 1. Now you are left with what? 3. That 3 now is what you now divide by you guys that are 7. So 1 plus 3/7 is what will comes to you. Now let's do this thing. If we get to 10, let's say we have this thing now. It should be 7 times 1, 7 plus 3, 11. Abi? So it should be 11/7. 11/7. Now let's do 11/7 times 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 7 plus 3, 10. 10/7. So this 1 over 3 over 7 is same as 10 over 7. So if you should add 10 over 7, if you should multiply 10 over 7 by 7, it will give you 10 times 7. Now come with 10. I don't know if you're getting me. Don't worry, it's not your level. Don't let me convince you. What I'm trying to say is this. You know, I said mixed fraction is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Now, I gave you guys 10 apple. Inside the 10 apple, you have 7 in number. Definitely, each one of you must have 1 apple each. Now, we are left with 3. That 3 is now what I have to divide. Or you have to divide among yourself. You want to share 3 apples by 7. So, that means each one of you must correct one whole number, 3 over 7 apples. Or apples, I don't know how shall I call it. So, in a Senner's climb, it means you should have 10 over 7 individually. Because 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3, 10 over 7. And if you should add 10 over 7 in 7 places, it should give you 10. That is what fraction is all about. So, if you are confused, let me know in the comment section so that I can make a video to explain vividly using a practical approach to it. If possible, I have to go and buy apples. If possible, maybe I'll buy 10 apples and share it for every one of us to see. And if I don't have the money, maybe you sponsor also. But I'll do what I can do. If I don't have apple, at least I should have lemon with me to share. And if you want apple, if you want me to use apple, maybe you can sponsor also, because an apple now is almost 500 naira just for one apple. So 5 times 10, 5,000 naira. You know, easy. So this is how it is. So if you enjoy this, please give us a thumbs up, share it to others, and let them benefit as well. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.